iEskom ichithile yonke imibiko yokuthi ukucinywa kagesi ngenhloso yokuwonga kusazoqhubeka iminyaka emihlanu.
News 24 then went on and said Eskom says it will have load shedding for 5 years, which was not the case. Eskom repeats that we do have currently 4,000 megawatts shortage in generation capacity, which may well grow should the economy perform better as electricity demand grows.
Okwamanje iEskom isaphansi phezulu ilungisa ingqalasizinda zawo njengamanje sebelungisa amaphesenti ayishumi.
We are doing the maintenance currently on about 15% of our own infrastructure, which we will help us increase the available capacity for the winter. We should have more than 32,000 megawatts of capacity from the current 30 that is able to generate electricity today. And of course, we are relying on the additional capacity that the government has to procure in order to help bridge the gap between demand and supply.
Kepha loadshedding isazoqhubeka.
We will indeed continue to have load shedding for the foreseeable future as we have these shortages. A bulk of this maintenance will be completed around September. I must hasten to add that will only reduce significantly the occurrence of load shedding.
Kunezikhungo eziphehla amandla kagesi ezingakwazi ukusebenza kahle nekenza ukuthi kube nzima kakhulu kwaEskom. Lenkampani ehlinzeka ngogesi siqalile ukulungisa izinkinga ebezikhona eMedupi kanti kuzophothula emasontweni ambalwa ezayo. Kanti kuzoqala ngenyanga ezokwethwasa ukulungisa amaphutha ekusile.